Знаходимося, зараз я оберну відео. Знаходимося майже в самому центрі, звідти тільки що прийшли.
The Ukrainian forces have fully captured the center of Sudzha, the administrative capital of Sudzhansky district in Kursk Oblast, Russia, and the commander-in-chief of the armed forces of Ukraine, Syrsky, said that Ukraine control about 1,000 square kilometers in the Kursk region. In the Kursk region, the Ukrainian armed forces control 44 settlements, with the status of 10 more currently unknown, according to Deep State. Bravo team from Sudzha. The city is completely under the control of the armed forces of Ukraine. Ukrainian fighters calmly walk along Sudzha and ask, where are the Russian soldiers who claim that they are defending here?
Отже, друзі, коротенько доповідь зроблю. Облазили ми майже всю Суджу. Де ті підери там ховаються, я поняття не маю. Знаходимося, зараз я оберну відео. Знаходимося майже в самому центрі, звідти тільки що прийшли. Там підери валяються, блядь, дохлі. Зараз покажемо. Чикс. Коротше, для руснявих чепушил, які там розказують, ліплять, що Суджа їхня, за щочку беріть і уйобуйте нахуй.
And a group of Ukrainian soldiers drive their US-supplied Humvee through the center of town. The footage shows that the city remained intact after it came under the control of the Ukrainian forces, not compared to Ukrainian cities under Russian occupation. Ukrainian intelligence hit a gold mine on Russian logistics in near real time. The capture of Sudzha may not seem grand on a map, but the capture of the railway station may allow Ukrainian intelligence direct access into Russian railway computer systems, schedules, train consists, and internal Russian railway communications from dispatch to defect detectors. Sudzha station, besides being part of the Elgov-Belgorod line that I've highlighted previously, is part of the Moscow Railway Division, which must be causing panic in Russian high command, knowing that the enemy has real-time capability to view your logistical movements. Russian telegram channel VCHK OGPU, citing its sources, states that Russian Chief of the General Staff Gerasimov knew about the preparation of the incursion into Russia's Kursk region. 2 weeks ago, General Esadullah Abachev, commander of the State Border Covering Group, Deputy Commander of the Leningrad Military District, reported to Valery Gerasimov about the preparation of the Ukrainian forces for an invasion of Kursk region. In response, Gerasimov urged Abachev not to spread panic and not to fall for the enemy's disinformation. Moreover, on the eve of the Ukrainian offensive, Gerasimov withdrew forces and means from this area, which, in his opinion, were not needed there. In addition, shortly before, some trained Russian soldiers were transferred to the Belgorod direction. According to the VCHK OGPU source, before the attack, the border in Kursk region was held by the 2nd Guards Spetsnaz Brigade, Special Forces Brigade from Pskov, Akhmet forces, mobilized, conscripts, and even former prisoners. Shortly before the offensive of the Ukrainian army, most of the trained soldiers were transferred to the Belgorod direction to help the North Group advancing on Kharkiv region. Ukraine is increasingly focusing on boosting its production of FPV drones and training new FPV drone operators. They are building special training centers and encourage young people from the gaming community to join their ranks in a new drone force. And Russia is still trying to destabilize Europe with illegal migrants. Polish border guards open fire as a group of illegal migrants try to sneak through the border wall with Belarus.
بولنديين نضربوا. اركب. مين اللي حنا بالسياج؟ حنا بالسياج. منو هذا اللي تعلق؟ راميهم جيبوا حجار جيبوا عصا.
Ukrainian armor driving through fields of the Kursk zone. And for the end, a very rare footage recorded by a Russian officer shows one of the last 12 airworthy Su-24 strike bombers of the Syrian Arab Air Force in Tias T4 Air Base in Syria before a combat sortie. It is a rare footage because Syrian military personnel are not even allowed to take a photo of these ancient jets as they are considered highly classified from point of view of the Syrian military commanders.
Это просто рабочая лошадь. Рабочая лошадь. Готовится к вылету. Сейчас будут тренировочные удары наноситься. Вот такими боеприпасами. Выполнять бомбометание. Машина. Вот такой красавчик. Летчик рассказал, кстати, что в это место примерно был у него случай, когда попал, какая-то зенитка попала или что-то. Я не смог, языковой барьер, и не смог понять, какое конкретно это было орудие или что. В общем, у него был случай, когда один двигатель, вот этот, из-за попадания вышел из строя. И этот самолет, на котором он летает, внимание, 22 года. 22 года на одной машине. С одним вышедшим из строя двигателем он сумел посадить, его привели в порядок, двигатель заменили, отремонтировали машину, и она вот снова работает. Флаг сирийский. Глядя на это, конечно, понимаешь, что разговоры о надежности этих машин — это не басня.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.